Okay, so today we're talking about multiplying a monomial and a polynomial. We already know what a polynomial is. It's just an expression containing many terms. In this case, we're looking at a monomial 3 being multiplied by a trinomial 4x squared minus 5x plus 8. Okay, so if we remember our rules for order of operations, BEDMAS, and we look at BEDMAS. BEDMAS says that we have to do what's in the brackets first. But we also know from uh, simplifying polynomials that we can only simplify like terms. So if we're looking in these brackets here, if x squared, x, and the number 8, we have no like terms in here, so we can't simplify this any further. So we cannot perform the operations in brackets right now. We can't do anything more with it. There are no exponents to do anything with, and there's no division, so we have to move to the next step, the multiplication. 3 is going to be multiplied by this thing that's in here. Okay, and so this is called the distributive property. Okay, what has to happen is the 3 is going to be multiplied by everything on the inside of this bracket. Okay, it's going to get distributed in here to each term, and it will be multiplied by each term inside the bracket. So this would all be rewritten as 3 times 4x squared plus 3 times negative 5x, and then plus 3 times positive 8. Okay? And now we can just simplify all these things. Well, 3 multiplied by 4x squared, well, 3 times 4 is 12, and you can't do anything else, so it's 12x squareds. So we have 12x squareds. And then a positive 3 times a negative 5x would give us, well, that would give us a positive times a negative is a negative, and then 3 times 5 is 15. And then what is it? There are x's. And then finally, positive 3 times positive 8 is positive 24. Okay? So, whenever we're dealing with a monomial multiplied by a polynomial, we have to use something called the distributive property. Okay? And that monomial gets distributed into multiply by everything on the inside of this bracket. So the 3 multiplied by the 4x squared, the 3 multiplied by the negative 5x, and the 3 multiplied by the positive 8. Okay, and then you do that and simplify, and we get this nice answer here. Okay, a trinomial. Okay, that's good. Look forward to example 2. Okay, and go watch examples 2 video next.